Take a ride in 2004 ES330. The Lexus ES330 may be the smoothest, quietest car in its class. Its supple suspension gives it a smooth ride on rough city streets, beat-up freeways, and poorly maintained back roads. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, center console, trip odometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.